In this video, I will show you how to make a video in Pictory. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Pictory.AI. Now I do have an account. If you don't, you can sign up for one for completely free. And once you've gone ahead and created your account and you've logged in, you'll be presented with a screen like this. To go ahead and make a video, it's very easy to do. What you can do is either use a script if you have a script, or you can copy and paste an article. So in this video today, I'll be showing you how to do this on the script video, but the same sort of process applies if you want to use an article. So what you want to do is click proceed on the option you want to go for. And all you want to do is simply go ahead and paste your script into here. So I've got one that I've generated using ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and copy the script. This is just a short script on 10 facts about tigers. So what I'm going to do is paste this into here. And if you want to, you can enter a name for your video up here. So I'm just going to call this one test. And once that's done, go ahead and click the purple proceed button up here. Next, what's going to happen is going to give you some templates. So what you can do is choose the one that you like the look of. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and choose this template called sunrise. And once you've done that, you can choose the aspect ratio. So the default ratio, if you just want a normal size video, is 1:1, this one here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this. And as you can see, it's going to go ahead and start generating a video based upon my script. So it just takes a minute or two, depending on the length of your script to do this. And once Pictory has finished creating your video, you're going to be taken to this screen. So what this has done is basically separated our script into different scenes. So you can see if we click onto each of these scenes on the left hand side, we're going to get a preview of what each scene looks like. Now, if you want to make changes to any of these scenes, say for example, I wanted to change this one here, what you can do is come to the left hand side and you can change things like the audio. You can also change the text as well as the visuals displayed. So say I didn't like this video of this tiger, what I can do is come to the left hand side, click onto visuals over here. And then all you need to do is come up to the search box at the top, and I'm just going to go ahead and put tiger and hit enter. And you're going to see a long list of different images and videos to use. So to go ahead and replace this, all you need to do is click onto the one you like the look of. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one down here. All you need to do is click, and straight away that's going to go ahead and replace this video. So again, as I mentioned, you can do things like change the audio. So if I come to the left hand side and click onto audio, you'll see a long list of different audios, and we can just press the play button onto any of these. So you can see it's applied one to my video automatically. If I press play, and you can see it's going to play a preview of what that sounds like. Of course, there's other things you can do, like for example, add text as well. So I can add a heading to this if I want, just by clicking here, and you can sort of like change the font and the bold and the color and things like that up here. So that's a quick overview of how to make videos in Pictory. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.